For centuries, humans have gazed into the night sky, wondering what lies beyond the planets we know. With each new discovery, our understanding of the cosmos expands, reshaping our sense of place in the universe. From the earliest telescopic observations to the most recent space missions, one question persists. Could there be a hidden world orbiting far beyond Neptune? In this video, we delve into the possibility of such a world, one that could be a planet lurking in the outer reaches of our solar system, a world that astronomers have tentatively named Planet Y. The concept of hidden planets is far from new. As far back as the early 20th century, astronomers proposed the existence of Planet X, a massive body believed to be 7 times the size of Earth, orbiting at an extreme distance from the Sun. However, after years of searching, the Planet X hypothesis was largely debunked. Still, the idea of unseen worlds did not fade away. In 2016, astronomers Michael Brown and Konstantin Batygin revived the theory of a hidden planet, proposing the existence of Planet 9. This hypothetical planet, much more massive than Earth, is thought to orbit some 300 times farther from the Sun than Earth does, exerting its gravitational influence on the distant objects in the Kuiper Belt. However, while Planet 9 continues to be a credible candidate, new evidence has emerged that suggests there may be yet another undiscovered world, one that may explain a different set of mysterious phenomena in the outer solar system. Enter Planet Y. This proposed planet is smaller than Earth but larger than Mercury, and it is thought to be orbiting the Sun at a much greater distance than Neptune. The key to this hypothesis lies in a peculiar feature of the Kuiper Belt, the region beyond Neptune that is home to icy remnants of the early solar system, including Pluto. In recent years, astronomers have observed something strange. The orbits of certain objects in the Kuiper Belt are not aligned in the way we would expect. Normally, objects in this region follow a flat, uniform plane, in line with the general plane of the solar system. However, there is now clear evidence of a warp in this plane, a tilt that is unlike anything we've observed in the orbits of objects in the solar system. This warp, detected between 80 and 200 astronomical units, AU, from the Sun, is significant. It is too large to be explained by the gravitational forces of known objects, and it appears to be the result of an unseen force, likely the gravitational influence of a large, distant planet. Amir Siraj, an astronomer at Princeton University, and his colleagues have suggested that the most plausible explanation for this warp is the presence of a previously undiscovered planet. According to Siraj, the simplest explanation for the observed tilt is the presence of a planet located far beyond Neptune. This planet, which they have dubbed Planet Y, would be much smaller than Earth, likely somewhere between the size of Mercury and Earth, and it would orbit the Sun at a distance of 100 to 200 times farther than Earth does. Its gravitational influence would cause the objects in the Kuiper Belt to shift, tilting their orbits by as much as 15 degrees. The phenomenon is similar to the way a stone tossed into a pond sends ripples across the surface of the water. The key difference between Planet Y and its more massive cousin, Planet 9, lies in the nature of their gravitational effects. Planet 9, as proposed, would cause objects to cluster in a way that suggests a large body pulling them inward. Planet Y, by contrast, appears to have a more subtle effect. Instead of attracting objects toward it, it seems to gently push them out of alignment with the rest of the solar system. This distinct influence is important because it allows astronomers to differentiate between the two hypothetical worlds. It's possible, even likely, that both Planet 9 and Planet Y could exist in the same region of the solar system, with each affecting the distant objects in its own unique way. But why is it so difficult to detect Planet Y? The answer lies in its immense distance from the Sun. At more than 100 AU away, this planet would be extremely faint and nearly invisible to current telescopes. Its small size, likely closer to Mercury than Earth, would make it even harder to spot. The outer solar system is a vast and largely unexplored frontier, and detecting objects at such great distances is a significant challenge. However, new technologies are on the horizon that may soon change that. The Vera C. Rubin Observatory, set to begin its 10-year survey of the night sky, promises to map the outer reaches of the solar system in unprecedented detail. With its advanced instruments, the observatory could provide the first direct evidence of Planet Y, or, at the very least, offer stronger confirmation of its gravitational effects on the Kuiper Belt. If Planet Y exists, it could offer answers to several key questions about the formation and evolution of our solar system. Some scientists believe that such distant planets might not have formed where they are now, but were instead scattered outward early in the solar system's history, perhaps pushed there by the gravitational forces of the giant planets like Jupiter and Saturn. This scattering hypothesis is supported by models of planetary migration, which suggest that smaller planets like Planet Y could have been ejected from the inner solar system and sent on a distant orbit toward the outer reaches. Numerical simulations support the idea that a planet with a mass between Mercury and Earth, an orbit of roughly 100 to 200 AU, and an inclination greater than 10 degrees, could maintain the observed warp in the Kuiper Belt's plane. Smaller bodies, like Pluto, would not have enough gravitational pull to cause such a large effect, while more massive planets would distort the orbits of objects closer to them, making them poor candidates to explain the data. The search for hidden planets is far from over, and Planet Y may soon step from the realm of speculation into the world of confirmed fact. As we continue to explore the outer solar system, we are reminded that the mysteries of our cosmic neighborhood are far from solved. The discovery of Planet Y, if it happens, would not only expand our understanding of the solar system, but it could also reveal new insights into how planetary systems form and evolve. Just as the discovery of Neptune reshaped our view of the solar system in the 19th century, and Pluto's identification expanded our understanding in the 20th, the detection of Planet Y could forever change our cosmic perspective. The next few years will be crucial in this search. With advances in technology and the launch of the Vera C. Rubin Observatory, we are poised to make new discoveries that could unlock the secrets of the outer solar system. Whether or not Planet Y is real remains to be seen, but the very possibility of its existence underscores the importance of remaining curious and attentive to the subtle clues left in the vastness of space. The universe is full of surprises, and the search for hidden worlds will continue to push the boundaries of human knowledge. As astronomers like Siraj and others continue their quest to understand the far reaches of the solar system, we are reminded that the answers to the universe's biggest questions often lie just beyond our grasp, waiting to be uncovered.